Welcome back, friends! Today is Luna's first day at a magical school. But wait, her school supplies can talk! Wow, talking school supplies? Can you help me learn their names? In 4 languages? English, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish. Let's get ready for school. Scribble, scribble. Hello, Luna. I help you draw, write, and create wonderful pictures. Who am I? I know, you are a pencil. English, pencil, Chinese.
铅笔，铅笔，铅笔。
In Japanese, it's
鉛筆，鉛筆，鉛筆。
and in Spanish,
Lápiz, lápiz, lápiz.
wonderful writing. Flip, flip, flip. Hello, you can write stories, draw pictures, and practice new words inside me. Look at that, it's a magical notebook. English, notebook, Chinese.
笔记本，笔记本，笔记本。
In Japanese, we say
ノート、ノート、ノート。
and in Spanish.
Cuaderno, cuaderno, cuaderno.
Excellent! Hop, hop, pack me up. I carry your books, pencils, and school treasures. Look, a very helpful backpack. English, backpack, Chinese.
书包，书包，书包。
Japanese,
リュック、リュック、リュック。
Spanish,
Mochila, mochila, mochila.
Packtastic. Zoom! I help you measure things and draw straight lines. Look how straight I am. Ha ha! You are a ruler. English, ruler, Chinese.
尺子，尺子，尺子。
Japanese,
ルーラー、ルーラー、ルーラ
Spanish.
ー。Regla, regla, regla.
Amazing measuring. 4 languages. 4 helpful school supplies. Learning makes school magical. See you in our next adventure.